Welcome to this tutorial on Litecoin and the white paper. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that has been around since 2011, and it is an important part of the cryptocurrency world. In this tutorial, we will discuss the Litecoin white paper and its implications for anyone interested in using Litecoin. Before we dive into the white paper, let's talk about what Litecoin is and why it is important. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, that allows users to send and receive payments over the internet. It is a peer-to-peer digital currency, meaning transactions are made directly between two parties without the need for a middleman. Litecoin is based on a decentralized public ledger known as the blockchain. This ledger records all transactions made with Litecoin and is maintained by a network of computers. Now let's discuss the Litecoin white paper. The white paper is a document that outlines the features and purpose of Litecoin. It was originally published in October 2011 and was written by Charlie Lee, the creator of Litecoin. In it, Lee describes Litecoin as a lightweight peer-to-peer digital currency that is designed to be faster and more efficient than other cryptocurrencies. The white paper outlines the technical specifications of Litecoin, such as its consensus algorithm, transaction fees, and block reward system. It also describes how Litecoin is different from Bitcoin, such as its faster transaction times, lower transaction fees, and increased scalability. One interesting thing not many people know about the Litecoin white paper is that it was written by Charlie Lee, the creator of Litecoin. He was the first person to write a white paper outlining the features and purpose of Litecoin. The white paper was originally published in October 2011 and has become an important document for anyone interested in using Litecoin. In conclusion, the Litecoin white paper is an important document for anyone interested in using Litecoin. It outlines the features and purpose of Litecoin and provides an overview of its technical specifications. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. With the right knowledge, you can make informed decisions about investing in the cryptocurrency market. Thanks for watching.